Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list, Kaguya. In this anime story, our heroine, she is a college student. After her grandfather died, she is living all alone until our main character, a demi-human, kidnapped our heroine. So our main character in this anime, he runs a hotel in the spirit world, and our heroine's grandpa took some money from him but didn't really return it. So now he took our heroine to get the money back. So starting in this anime, our heroine gonna start working on his hotel to repay her grandpa's debt. So while doing it, she gonna get into a relationship with our main character, a demi-human. So how that's gonna happen? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Kakushi Koto. So this anime story is about a father and daughter relationship, where the father, our main character in this anime, he is a manga artist, a gag manga artist to be precise, but he doesn't really want his daughter to know about it. Throughout this anime, he is trying to hide that fact from her in a different ways. So it's a really good comedy anime. I highly recommend you should try this anime out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is The Day I Became a God. So in this anime story, our main character used to be a normal high school student until in his summer vacation he meets a small girl, and she told our main character that this world gonna end in 30 days. At first, obviously, our main character didn't really believe our heroine, but after that, few things happened and our main character started to believe her. So now, in this anime story, what gonna happen between both of them? And what this world end is all about? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So it's a pretty good one, try it out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Tower of God. So in this anime story, there is a tower, and whoever managed to climb top of that tower, their every wish gonna be fulfilled. So in this anime story, our main character's female friend, only friend or kinda his crush, wants to climb that tower, and our main character gone behind her. So this tower have lot of levels, and now our main character have to complete those level challenges to go to the next level. So in this anime, our main character is trying to find his crush in this tower. So now in this tower, our main character gonna make lot of friends and gonna get into a lot of bad situations. Will he finally manage to find his crush? For to know that, you have to watch the anime obviously. A definitely good one and definitely worth watching. After a while, you gonna truly hate someone, but still worth watching. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video. But the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on. So you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch and see you in the next one.